Come test drive the 2019 Golf Alltrack. The Volkswagen Golf Alltrack is a well-refined wagon that comes equipped with high-end features throughout. Advanced technology, fantastic handling, and powerful yet smooth engine make this the perfect choice. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.